What's up, guys? We're in the Evoque. We're heading over to Subway Autobody right now, and we're going to go ahead and check out the progress that Randy's got going on over there. And probably it won't be done today, but we'll get to see some serious progress. And it should be all together today, but they need to clean it up. It's definitely a mess right now with all the dust. So here we go. So here we are at Subway, and this is Jason. He's working on my car. There, he's a great guy. So he's got the bumper here semi-assembled. We're gonna go ahead and it's pretty loud in here. We're gonna throw it on the car and see what it looks like. Whoa, that is going to look awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Are you as excited as me?
Yeah, it's real hard. It's really hard to get on there. And I got to take some of it up down fast bumper.
Nice. So check out how awesome this front bumper looks. And it's not even all put together yet. This is actually a really good quality one. After they did all the work to it, at least. I mean, if you look, it has the same texture here as the rear valance. And they got it to match up pretty well with the fender. If you look, it's going to be better than Ford. Pretty excited. Get a view from over here. Check out the hood vent though. Awesome. So the fitment of the new valance is just a little bit different than the other one, and as you can see, it actually touches my exhaust, which I don't know, will that cause a fire or something? I don't know. I hope it doesn't. But anyways, Jason's going to go ahead and move the muffler over just a little bit if he can, and hopefully he can get that straight. If not, might need a fire extinguisher in the car. We'll have the car back tomorrow officially, and I will have a really cool video hopefully by Sunday for you all. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think of the build in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.